Continues our team coverage. She spent her day at church, where some of which are changing the way they do things a little bit as a precaution to protect their congregation. Ashley.
John, 20 seconds. That's how long the CDC recommends for you to take when you're washing your hands. But some of the church members say they rather not touch or shake any hands for the time being. For churchgoers, Sunday is the Lord's Day, when many gather together to praise and worship. But in a time where uncertainty is spreading faster than a virus, Inez Oakman says she's not taking any chances.
It's a possibility that anyone can come in contact with individuals that have not been tested positive. So in order to keep myself safe and my family, we've decided to, instead of hugging people and shaking hands, that we were going to fist pump or elbow pump.
What is happening with the coronavirus is a topic that has impacted the younger generation, reminding us that they are always paying attention.
Earlier this week, a person had died. I think they were like 60 or 50, had died of the coronavirus when they was at a nursing home, and now people are getting tested at the nursing home. So I think you should really care that we are dying from the coronavirus.
Other members of the Church of Christ on Gray Street say they aren't panicking yet, but they are asking people to be mindful of the possibilities.
With the fear and all that's going around, we definitely should listen to our healthcare practitioners to follow the instructions from our physicians. Also, we're blessed with wisdom and knowledge, so we should equip ourselves with good information.
Medical College of Georgia infectious disease Dr. Jose Vasquez says the next couple of warm months could work in our favor.
And then instead of having clusters, then we kind of go outside. It's much safer to be outside like that. And the transmission, if you're far away, is different, right? So most of the time influenza is gone by April or May. Coronavirus probably should be the same thing. Probably. We don't know, right? It's the first year.
After washing your hands, make sure you dry them off completely, because the quickest way to spread the virus is with wet hands. John?